I've made a tutorial of how to use this RF network analyzer before. This is Agilent 4395A. I really like this guy because the frequency overlaps with SR75. I can overlap the trace I got from here, put it on top of SR75 to make sure that there's no weird offset setting on this guy here, because I know I trust SR785. Here I'm just going to quickly teach you how to set the scope to take a transfer function, because that's what I'm gonna do right now. We are going to figure this out together, alright? I haven't used this one in a while. If you go to measure, you go to analyzer and measure, analyzer type. Network analyzer is a transfer function. You want both channel 1 and 2 to be the same thing, so if you choose A over R, you're just gonna have to use these two input, BNC input. That's all it means. I don't think it matters very much. The unit here is not in degree yet, so format, there we go. So this has to be set one channel at a time. So you go to channel 1, you want log mag, and when you go to channel 2, you want phase. Now this thing reads in dB and this thing reads in degree. That's it, we are ready to take some transfer function. Oh, and the range, where's the range? Oh, start, here we go. That's where you set the start and stop frequency. That starts from something like 50 kilohertz and stop at 500 kilohertz, or maybe 1 megahertz. Make sure you double check the channel 2 that start and stop frequency are the same as channel 1, otherwise your phase is not going to correspond to your amplitude. Channel 2, just barely reaching. There we go. L2 is channel 1. Your source has to come out of the RF out because you're sweep signing. You're not giving it a constant DC. This red lettering here says overload on input A. I think that means we're driving a little too much. So we're gonna go to source and turn the power down to say minus 10 dB. Wow, totally killed the lock here. Minus 30 maybe. Maybe stop. I think it is working now. I give it a little less input power, so minus 30 dB seems to be working fine here. I set my frequency to overlap SR75 just a little bit, so I start at 50 kilohertz and I stop at 500 kilohertz. My UGF it's kind of funny because it went back up again. Maybe I should increase yeah, it's a little funny behavior going on here. So here I hit my UGF at 324 kilohertz, which is fine, but it comes back again. Very funny. Here I'm gonna show you how to save data. So just go to save. This works just like SR75, and data only, save ASCII. It will save both trays for you. So just pick file name of, I don't know, 1, done, and that's it. Might take a while. So you're gonna get this file in .text, by the way. And that's it. I hope it is useful.